everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the double and triple cramp roll. So if you haven't yet watched my video on how to do a regular single cramp roll, I would recommend going back and watching that one first and coming back to watch this one because obviously the double and triple build on that single one. So just to run through a single one real quick, single cramp roll is just a step, step, heel, heel. Right? That's if you're doing the right side, right, left, right, left. If you're doing left side, it would be the opposite. Left, right, left, right. Okay? So, as I've said before in previous videos, if you want to make something a double, you add a flap. So when you're doing a double cramp roll, you're going to do a brush step on your, say we're starting right foot, you're going to do a brush step on your right foot first. And then that step is going to bring you into the first step of the cramp roll. So it'll go brush step, and then you follow with your left step, then your right heel, left heel. Okay, try that again. You have brush step, step, heel, heel. Okay, nice and simple. You're just adding that brush onto the first step. So same thing on the left side as well. Brush step. Now we're starting left. And then step right, left heel, right heel. Again. Good, nicely done. So say you wanted to take those up faster. Say you're more intermediate advanced, so you want to take them faster. You would just make that cramp roll faster and then bring the brush into it. Maybe make that a little bit faster too, but mostly the cramp roll gets faster. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So say you want to do it faster. Here we go, starting on our right foot again. See, you're just speeding up the cramp roll. Not too much the brush at the beginning, but just speeding up the cramp roll. Okay, same thing on the left side. Try it about that speed. Good, nicely done. If you want to go even faster, again, just speeding up that cramp roll. Same thing on the left side. Good, nicely done. So that's a double cramp roll. Now, let's move on to the triple cramp roll. So triple, you're going to make it a shuffle. Whenever you triple something, you make it a shuffle. So we're going to start with a shuffle now. Instead of a brush step, you're going to do a brush, brush, so a full shuffle. So say you're starting right foot, you're going to start with a shuffle, then you're going to go into that step, step, heel, heel. Good, try that again. You have shuffle, step, step, heel, heel. Good, say you want to try left side now. So left side starts with that shuffle, step, step, heel, heel. Good. Same thing as the double. When you want to make it faster, just focus on making that cramp roll faster and then adding on that shuffle. So let's go about more intermediate speed. And same thing on the left side. Okay, and if you want to make it more advanced, again, just making that cramp roll faster. So here we go. Let's give that a try. And same thing on the left side as well. Good. So a double or a single is just step, step, heel, heel. Double is brush, step, step, heel, heel. Triple is brush, brush, step, step, heel, heel. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for more tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a question about any tap step, go ahead and write it down in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.